Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Colin Sprake here, and I want you to think about something really, really detailed today. I'm here in the beautiful Okanagan Valley. Look at that gorgeous view behind me. Now, I want you to really think about something. Envy and jealousy are detrimental to your well-being. Let me explain this to you. When people have more love than you do, and you're envious of the love they have in their life or in their relationship, what have you, you actually stop yourself from attracting the amazing love into your life because you begrudge other people of having that. When you have envy and jealousy around someone who has more money than you have, you stop money flowing into your life as well. I want you to think about this because people obviously, so if you are begrudging people having more money than you, begrudging people having more love than you, begrudging people having more toys, more cars, more enjoyment of life, more relaxation than you, you actually stop the flow of that into your own life. And when you stop the flow of that into your own life, guess what happens? You keep on getting what you really, really, really don't want. So rather be blessing people. When they have more money than you, bless them to have more money. Bless them to have more abundance. When people have more love than you in their life than you have, bless them with more love. Bless them with that in every way and form. And guess what shows up in your life? Because what you put out there is what you attract. Envy and jealousy are really detrimental to you attracting anything that you want into your life. So put out what you truly, truly want. Bless people for what they have. Bless them for the love they have in their relationship. More love will come to your relationship. Bless them in terms of the abundance they have financially and in any other way or form, and more of that will come into your life. But here's the challenge. You've got to bless from the core of who you are. You cannot be saying, well, this is a great video, I'm just going to go bless them and stop having envy. Envy is a feeling, and the feeling you put out there is what you attract into your life. You've got to truly, authentically believe from the core of your being that you're blessing them with what they deserve, and you're blessing them with more abundance in any way or form, whether it's love, money, time away, whatever it is. Bless those that have more than you to have even more, and guess what you attract into your life. Thank you for being so awesome from the beautiful Okanagan Valley. See you at the top, be brilliant, and have a great weekend.